What's up, guys? Welcome back. Fury Broly from the Broly movie. The sort of the newer Broly, cooler Broly, in my opinion. Let's do this. Landscape page, pencil eraser, hip pose. If I go too fast, so let's start with his eyebrows. So check mark, like normal, right? But we're not going to go the whole way because the hair covers the ends. So we're just going to curve it around and go up, like a smaller check mark. Stop it about there, and then coming around from here, thicken it up. Just go up that way. So we do the same on the other side. And then the thick end. You could just color this black, but it's kind of like an extremely dark gray, really, is the color in the show. So you could just go black if you want to do it sort of manga style. His eyes, so very thick lines around the eyes. So we'll go a long line here and a short line in there. And then we'll curve them together. Then we'll thicken them up. Just a slightly thicker line than the rest. Just makes them look a bit more intense. And do the same thing over here. So short line and the long line. And then we curve them together. And then you just thicken it up. It's a very small sort of yellow eyes. There and under there. And then he has some frowning sort of wrinkle lines in the middle of his forehead as well. So like this. And like up the sides here. Right, so then what we can see for his nose, so we just like bring it down. That way. Goes in and up. And then they draw in the sort of shadow under the bridge as well. There. And then some like wrinkles and stuff on this side of his nose. It's a different sort of nose than we usually see in Dragon Ball. And then we have the cheek lines. Just under his eyes. And then a big snarling mouth, right? So it goes out, down, in, comes right down underneath the nose, back up, down to there. Down and in, and around. And then there's like teeth in the corner. And then it's like a little lip line and stuff like that. And his chin, square chin. Just here. And then it goes diagonal. That way. And then about mouth level, underneath the corner of his eye, we change direction. And we go up the side of his head. Right by his eyebrows. Then we got a scar here. And then we start to get like hair spikes, right? So we'll go like a small hair spike there. And this is like a bigger one that comes out from the middle of his forehead. And then this side. And then here. Hair spike here. It's different. It's slightly different to like Goku or Vegeta's. It's like there's more along the front. Like that. And then there's like one in the middle here. Okay. And then keep adding. So there's more. So he's got like his ears here. Like his earlobes. And then he has some under his ears. And like they come down onto his neck and everything. And then some that come out and then back up to the top. And some even go down behind his shoulders. But I'll do the ones maybe. We'll go like this first. That way. Okay, and then I think from here we get one. There's one that hangs down here. Just keep adding them then. Another one in behind. So it's like getting wider here and then goes real narrow to like a big one in the middle. Just one. Sort of sticking up there on its own. And then beside it there a bit lower. And then I think there's one here. And goes down behind his shoulders. And then like, you know, textures. It is black hair, so you could color it all black if you wanted it, but there's like some green glow on it, a little bit, like that Broly color. Alrighty, so his body and the armor and the collar and all that stuff. So, okay, so the collar comes around here. Well, not the collar of his armor. You know, it's not the shock collar. Okay, and then we have neck muscles just in there. And then his chest. Scar on his chest as well. And then we've got like his shoulder bumping out this way, and he's got you know, a fin type armor thing that sticks up. It goes like up here, then around. There's a line on it. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, and then the armor sort of follows his chest muscles as well. So we've a line down the middle, and it comes down around where his pectoral muscles would be. Sort of like that. So it's like you're drawing his anatomy, but it's under armor. And then he has that sort of diamond shape. I think that like Frieza has that, doesn't he? But I don't think Vegeta has that. Interesting. So then his lats come down that way. His waist, and then there's like this ripped and torn fur. So that's his body. So arms, so big muscles. So big shoulder deltoid muscle this way. And like the bicep and the bottom of the shoulder like here. So that's like his deltoid, right? And you can do the same over this side pretty much. And then the bicep goes that way. Bottom part of it there. And then the tricep just bumps its way down this way. You get maybe like an elbow, kind of, but it's mostly just curved muscle for his forearm. And then the bottom of his wrist guard, and it has armor on it, so it curves around like a ring. Like that. And then it has another one just on his wrist. And then same on this side, pretty much big curvy forearm. And then around here. For his wrist armor thing. Okay, and then his knuckles go up this way, so fists, knuckle this way, down there. And then his next finger down that way. And then his next. There. Okay, and then the other fist over the other side. Pretty much the same thing. Index finger curved over, middle finger curved over, ring finger, pinky, palm of his hand, and then some like folds for the pinky skin. And then these are all like knuckles that go down. Like you can see his thumb there. Okay, but that's it. Fury Broly. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.